Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another unboxing on Smartphone Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about yet another Xiaomi device. Now this is necessarily not a smartphone that we're going to talk about. I have a lot of travel plans coming up, and even if you don't, it's always a good option to have a backup when it comes to the power source. For instance, the charging socket for me is away from my bed, so I always prefer maybe an extension or something like that. But if you have something like this is a Xiaomi Powerbank 2i that we're going to unbox today on Smartphone Tutorials, and we're going to have a look at the fit and finish, and maybe a couple of weeks later I can go ahead and review it. But I just ordered it from Amazon a couple of days back, got it recently, comes with a 20,000 milliamp hour power pack. So let's see how the fit and finish it. Heard good things about it. And before we begin, if you've not already, please subscribe to this channel, and while you're down there, hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. At the same time, here's a card to our latest giveaway. If you want to win a chance, or if you want to stand a chance to win a Redmi Note 5 Pro, go ahead and watch that video and participate in the giveaway. And if motorbikes is your thing and you like travel videos, here's a card to my second channel, Kratos390. You can go ahead and watch videos on there. That channel is going to be regular as well. So once again, without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. Let's unbox this bad boy. Alright, so it's time to unbox this tiny package here. This will be a really short video, but I thought that anyways we're gonna unbox this, so might as well share the experience with you guys. So it says lithium ion battery on here, ordered from Amazon. The price on here is 1500 bucks. This is my MI, or my whatever you call it, Powerbank 2i. So this is basically made in India. So let's get that big scissor in the picture and cut it from here. All right, so we're gonna leave that aside. Okay, so nothing else in the package here, so we're gonna keep that aside. And this is my bill, and this here is the power bank. Now right off the bat, the first thing that I can notice is it's very heavy. What else you expect from a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank? It means it can charge my phone 5 times. So I can, and my phone lasts me one whole day. So yeah, that's pretty good. Once you charge, it should be good for a week's trip. What else do we have at the back? Let me just show you guys here. So it says it can charge MI A1 4.3 times, iPhone 7 full charges, iPad mini 4 2.5 full charges. It has two-way quick charge, a lithium polymer battery, anti-slip scratch resistance is the body type. And if we move further down, it says 20,000 milliamp hour power bank 2i, then all the model details. Input is 5 volts at 2 amperes and 9 volts equals 2 amperes. And output is 2 into 5.1 volt, it equals 2.4 amperes. So yeah, it should charge your phone pretty fast. At least if you are a Xiaomi user, like one of their budget Redmi phones, then it should not be an issue charging with this particular phone. It won't be as fast as dash charge, but surely it will be fast enough. So we have all the other things, and scratch for security code. So this is something new that I've seen on a Xiaomi device here. This right here, you see it says scratch for security code. So this is basically a way to verify that this is a genuine Xiaomi product and not a Chinese knockoff, as is the case being that, you know, we've recently been coming across a lot of copy items of Xiaomi and stuff like that. Nonetheless, now tell you what, before we move further, the packaging of this box is better than that of a Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now the Note 5 Pro costs you around 15 grand, 15,000 or 14,000 rupees, and this is 1500 bucks. But they have proper plastic standoffs at the top and at the bottom. Now what that does is, let me show you guys. So if I were to take this off with my nails here, there you go. Now thing is, it is coming off, but it is getting spoiled and leaving a mark on the box. Now what that does is that, you know, stops you from you know, getting cheated and stuff, because on the Redmi Note 5 Pro box it can be easily repackaged and you would not come to know if it was ever opened or not, unlike on this one. So once we open the packaging, okay, that's how the front looks, just in case. So yeah, so nothing else in the box here. We'll leave this aside, and there's a user manual that we have here. It also shows how to verify if it's a genuine Xiaomi product or not. And let's have a look at the power bank itself. So this is how it looks. It's unfortunately only available in white color, which is not my first choice. I would have preferred to get it in a black color because this will get dirty very quickly. But nonetheless, for a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity, it does really look very compact. Now this is a button that is available over here. If you press this button, there are lights that will be coming on here. So this is a plastic that you can take off. There you go. So if you see here, there are lights blinking. I don't know if you can see it or not on the camera. There you go. Yeah. So the lights are blinking here. This is how you charge the power bank, and there are 2 phones that you can charge in one go. And then there is a button over here. Let me just focus on this. Oh, come on. Yeah. So this is a button here, and apart from that, there is some Xiaomi branding here. It says 20 milliamp hour. Now there is no way to open this, and we would not want to open it because there are lithium polymer or lithium ion batteries in there, so it's not safe to open those batteries up. Yeah, so this is the charging cable available here. This is a flat style micro USB charging cable. So that was a quick unboxing, and I will be reviewing this power bank after a couple of weeks so that we come to know how much is the efficiency, how good it is in terms of battery backup and stuff like that, and how fast it charges your devices and stuff like that. So that was the unboxing for Xiaomi Powerbank 2i, the 20,000 mAh variant. If you like this video, guys, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to participate in the giveaway. The moment we make it to 10,000 subscribers, we are definitely giving away a brand new Redmi Note 5 Pro. And the Note 5 Pro full review is in the works. It should be out tomorrow or day after, and the bootloader on my phone should be unlocked tomorrow. So expect a lot of videos for that particular device. Until next one, this is Kailash signing off with Smartphone Tutorials. Always a pleasure speaking to you guys. Goodbye, take care, and keep smiling.